16-242, Brett Cheddar, possession of drug paraphernalia. 16-231, residential burglary theft.
Judge, we are prepared for trial in these matters. There's no pretrial issues to take up today.
Okay, we'll just leave it as scheduled. That'll be all today, sir. Thank you so much. 16-107, Jesse Bowman, drug paraphernalia, controlled substances. 16-107. Good morning, sir.
Judge, Jesse is in the sole custody now of the Baxter County Sheriff's Department. He's asked me to request a bond reduction in his case. He has I believe a $5,000 bond requirement at this point in time. He's asked that I get that reduced. He will comply with whatever requirements the court sets for him.
When is it set for trial?
It's not, Your Honor. He was in the Department of Corrections for many, many months, and he was brought up a couple of times, and we had tried to work out pleas, and that's not been fruitful. So we do need to schedule it as well for a trial.
When did he get out of the DOC?
When were you released, Jesse?
2 days ago on the 18th.
And what are you requesting, sir?
Judge, I think a $1,500 bond would assure his reappearance before the court.
What?
You know, this gentleman has a lengthy criminal history. I don't think he was out of jail very long before he got arrested. He has gone from supervision. So okay. 1 second, Your Honor.
Judge, he was on parole, and he was violated for this. Sorry.
Okay. Your Honor, this gentleman absconded the moment he got out of prison, and when he was picked up is when I guess he picked up another charge. Yeah. We
And
think the bond sufficient where it's at, Your Honor.
He's flattened his time, as they say, in DOC. He's not on supervision anymore, Your Honor. Is that right?
I think I'll leave it where it's at.
Thank you, Your Honor. Could we get a scheduling
We'll
order?
just schedule out pretty quick.
Thank you.
Okay, Barbara Bridges, 15-331, forgery, and revocation. Yes.
Judge, this is a revocation on the forgery charges, correct? There aren't new charges.
Okay,
Is that right? Judge, I know she'll qualify. I've represented her in the past, and we will enter a plea of not true at this time. She would request that the court give her a bond while she's awaiting hearing in this case.
how much does she owe, do we know? I'll go ahead and set the hearing for November 3rd in her plea of not true.
Your Honor, Mr. Hicks tells me this lady never appeared for her intake, and she would owe, I don't know, a couple $1,000s, I guess, all totaled. She's never made a payment. She's never been in to see him. I think the restitution was $422. The fine was $1,000, and the rest of those things come up to about $1,200. So it's probably about $3,500. Yeah, excuse me, $2,500.
$1,000 cash.
Judge, when is that hearing set for?
The 3rd, November 3rd.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Stephen Dixon, 389, controlled substances was the original charge. It's revocation. You have a lawyer, sir?
I'm sorry, I don't.
The public defender?
I haven't talked to anybody yet.
Okay. Do you intend to hire a lawyer or make application to public defender?
Application for a public defender.
Have you done that yet, sir?
No, I have not.
Okay, fill out your application, turn it in, and we'll look at it as soon as possible. Okay, your case is before Judge Webb. I'm going to have you reappear before him for arraignment and attorney status on October 27th at 9 o'clock. Well, thank you, sir. Are you Eric Privet?
Yes, sir, I am.
15-110. It's like recently was a drug case. It's here for a revocation proceeding. Sir, I've appointed the public defender's office to represent you.
Yes, sir.
How does he plead?
Judge, he pleads not true, and I've discussed bond with the state, and they're agreeable to a $500 cash bond for him to post before the hearing.
It's accurate.
Okay, that'll be the order of the court on the bond. See who signed his sentencing order. Robert McCorkindale. Well, I'll just keep it in this court. No, that's Judge Webb's division, isn't it? Okay, I'll have set him for hearing before Judge Webb on October 27th. Anything further?
No, Your Honor.
That'll be all, sir. Thank you.
Is it?
Yes.
So I have a bond today?
Yes, $500 is cash, is that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
500 cash.
All right, thank you, sir.